Over 1,500 international companies have expanded their business into Northern Ireland. Could your business be next? Find out why Northern Ireland is a leading location for technology innovation and development.
This is Matt from MGMT Boston, and on this episode of Lantern, we have Joanne, the co-founder and CEO of Bloom. We are in beautiful downtown Gloucester today, right on the water, so it's been kind of a treat to travel to see you, so thank you for having me. First and foremost, what is Bloom? What is your team building?
Well, thank you for having us, Matt. Bloom is a comprehensive health and wellness benefit that provides employees with essential support in mental and behavioral health, parenting and caregiving, and personal well-being so that people could lead happier, more productive lives. Bloom was actually founded by three mom entrepreneurs, and we
Amazing.
have 8 children among us.
Wow.
We really created Bloom to fill a gap in how businesses support modern families today. And our mission is to really deliver equitable access to top experts who deliver high quality health, making companies take care of their employees better, which is their greatest asset.
Yeah. Parents, listen up. So as you think about this spring, what is going on inside of Bloom? What is happening inside your startup that you want to share with the community?
Yeah, the biggest thing is scaling and expansion, is nurturing those broker contacts, the benefit brokers that we're working with, just really making more connections in directors of health and municipality.
Cool.
And then growth, scaling, and then an exciting thing is Bloom 2.0. We're really working towards a AI-driven, intelligent care navigation system, and that's going to be coming out soon. So we're really excited about what's to come.
That's exciting. We'll throw that on the news feed when it launches.
Thank you.
And what have you learned building this startup and through your career, that's led you to this point? What would you share with up and coming operators, founders, other folks in the community?
Oh gosh, if I could go back, a lot. We're a Techstars alum company, and the biggest thing I think Techstars taught us was just to develop that MVP.
Sure.
Really understand the demands of the market before building anything. And even, more than the MVP is the MSP, which is your minimum saleable product. I had seen this thing, it was Reese Witherspoon, and she actually sold her book before even putting it out there.
Pretty cool.
She had driven the demand for her product. And so it was already, out in the world and in high demand before even building the product in the first place. So
that's pretty cool.
That would be my greatest bit of advice. It would have saved us a lot of time and a lot of money. But here we are, and lessons learned, and we're always moving forward and driving forward with that lesson.
I saw Reese Witherspoon at the HubSpot conference last year. She was fantastic.
Yeah, she's an incredible female entrepreneur.
And last but not least, how can we help Bloom? How can we help you and your team grow in Boston and beyond?
Yeah, it's always about the connection. So, any kind of partnerships or, anybody who aligns with our mission to provide this equitable healthcare to all. And also, it's not only partnerships, but it's introductions to benefit brokers, directors of health and municipality who we could help drive some mental health impact in the communities.
Cool.
And then lastly, we are fundraising. So angel investors and VC companies who may love what we're doing, we're just preparing for our upcoming round. So That would be amazing.
Joanne from Bloom, Matt from MGMT Boston in this episode of Lantern. Thank you so much for joining us.
Yeah, thank you.